Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use sum formula in Google Sheet. How can we use this sum formula in online Google Sheet? So stay tuned and watch till the end. I created a very simple example. This is a sales data for the different cities. So if I want to add up all these columns, so I will use the sum formula. So sum formula start with is equal to SUM. Now you can see very first formula, it is the sum formula. Click on this formula and then it's showing you the example. You can define the range. So I will select the range which I want to add up. So click on first cell and keep clicking and drag till the end. So it will select the whole range and close off bracket, press enter. So it will sum up all the values within this first column. If I want to apply the sum formula for the rest of the columns, what I will do, I will just drag from the bottom. So it will copy down the formula for rest of the columns as well. It will add up all the values which are within the other columns. I wrote down the formula for your ease, guys. It starts with is equal to SUM sum, start of bracket and range. So this is how you can use the simple sum formula in Google Sheet. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more formula related and informative videos. So I'll see you guys in next video.